Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can diagnose a not working microphone. So if you plug in a microphone into your Windows computer and it does not recognize it or it doesn't work, just follow these steps and hopefully by the end of them one of these will work and you will get your mic up and running. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, you can see over here I have my mic connected, right? And you can see it's Camtasia is using my microphone, right, which is basically the software I'm using to record this video. All right, so first what we want to do is go to our sound over here, the icon on the tray on the bottom right click it and do troubleshoot sound problems. Here you'll get like a thing you can search and find different articles, and maybe it's just something really simple that it can be fixed, right? You can just search over here and then you have consent to run automated diagnostics to try solving your audio problem. Say yes, and I guess they will try to did the troubleshooter fix the problem? Well, I never ran it, but you would say yes and then it will try to fix the problem. And if that doesn't work, next thing what you want to do is go to the icon again, right click and go to sound settings. So now we're at sound settings and you can see over here is the settings for the sound, and if we scroll down we can see our microphones. So these are the different microphones I have plugged in or can access it. So one is this, what I'm using, my headphones, and then these are just more virtual ones that create a sound. So yeah, you can see over here, make sure you see it, and if you don't, then if you see it, you obviously would want to just select that, but if you don't, then we can see why it's not working. Try to do pair new input device, especially if it's Bluetooth device. You can see over here, select it. I know that sometimes Windows has issues with Bluetooth where it doesn't properly connect, or when it does connect, it doesn't, it just stops working eventually. And if it does connect and it stops working eventually, the solution to that is maybe restarting your computer. I know that has happened to me multiple times and I've had to do that, or restarting a computer or disabling Bluetooth on its own and then just re-enabling. So Bluetooth over here, right click, you can go to Bluetooth settings, well over here I guess, you have Bluetooth settings and then just disable it and then re-enable it. All right. So now if you do not see it over here at all and you can't select it, then what you want to do is scroll down and go to more sound settings. All right, you click that and you will get this pop-up that comes up over here, and over here we want to do basically see if we see our microphone in here. All right, you guys can see that my headset microphone is working. You can see over here, and basically it's not detecting this other one, probably because it's being currently used. All right, so that's working. You can see the sound ones over here, and let's go to the specific one that you expect to be working but it's not working. You can go here, just make sure all these settings that are selected make sense. Continue running when bound battery power, automatic save power. That's more of like when it's, if you're using a laptop or something, right? Something that's unpluggable. And then volume levels, make sure, right? And make sure it's not muted and have it fully up. Channels, either one should work, but any two channel one should be pretty good in my opinion. So just, you want to make sure that it's not disabled over here and the volume is fully up so it's working as it should be. All right, so after that, maybe restart your computer, see if it works, and if it still doesn't, we can try out the next one, which is basically we have to go to our device manager. Okay, so now we're in device manager. We want to go to our microphone, which will be over on the audio's inputs and outputs. So you can see over here, even though if it connects with Bluetooth, it should still be in an audio input output device. So you guys can see my headphone, my Bose headphone is connected via Bluetooth, but then it also displays up over here under the audio and inputs and outputs. All right, so over here you want to right click it, make sure, well, let's go to properties. It could be simple as updating the driver, or if the certain driver, if you did update it and it stopped working, then you can always go rollback driver if that option is available, right? And yeah, just make sure the driver is up to date. And last but not least is checking for Windows Update. So a lot of the time Windows does already have everything as part of the Windows Update, the whatever drivers. And if you don't have that specific driver, you can just make sure you're up to date on all your Windows updates, and you should be able to see your microphone then. So yeah, these were just a few ways to troubleshoot how to get your microphone to work. And yeah, if you guys are still having problems, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you guys out more, because every case is a little different. It could be the mic itself is not working. Just make sure you plug it in. Make sure it's plugged in properly in a port that works, and you can kind of be guaranteed that the mic is getting powered to it. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.